Hey guys, this is Adarsh. Hope you guys are all doing super well and are staying safe right now. Just stay safe, stay home. Uh, don't be stupid like this guy. This guy. This guy is stupid, dude. I don't know. I mean, come on. Yeah. I don't even know if this is within frame. Anyways, hope you guys are doing super well and staying safe. The last two videos that I uploaded were part of a very big jam, about 3 to 4 hours, and I thought I would make another video. And what we talk about in this video is nothing. We just talk about magic, we just talk about life, and it's just random talks. If it's interesting, you can watch. Don't feel pressurized to watch this, but give me some views, man. Come on. Yeah, so it's just random talks. This is literally I don't have anything to talk about when it comes to this video because there's nothing specific we talk about. It's just a good insight into our minds and how we think, and I think that is entertainment. So go ahead, watch. Thank you. When was this, by the way? Did you ever hear from him? He's some I cannot curse at my mother, otherwise I would have. ये कार्ड कैसे आया है फ्रिज के पीछे?
नहीं, no. But he still remember the effect that मेरे पॉकेट में कार्ड कैसे आ गया. मैंने कार्ड सिलेक्ट किया और मेरे पॉकेट में आ गया.
That's what they say ना कि the best tricks are those which you can describe in 3 words. So card to pocket.
This.
Really? Okay. That's interesting. But I mean,
I think I would like any card at any number. That is a pretty strong weapon. Many words.
Depends मतलब how the spectator thing. मतलब ambitious card is a much powerful effect for the spectator. That's what I think. So as compared to any card at any number.
it is. Ambitious card is. It depends actually, you know. Like
For any
ambitious
card
card
at any
is.
number, people need to know how impossible it is. Like that card being at that number.
Even ambitious card looks so impossible because everything
Yeah,
is
it's
happening
like-
in the most fair way possible.
Ambitious card as a concept can easily be grasped even by non-card players or people who are not familiar that much
Exactly.
with the impossibility. But any card at any number, you need a very particular type of spectator to get a reaction out of it.
Exactly.
Okay, I want to confess something. I have never performed ambitious card.
Really?
Never ever.
Wow.
That was like.
Is there-
You know,
wait, wait.
ambitious card is the first trick you learn because it has all those building blocks of the moves you need now.
Yeah, I know, but
All of
I've
your
never.
card magic. Like,
I've used all that key card principles, stacks, and from the beginning actually.
Even
Is there-
I
is-
have
Is there any reason that you have not done ambitious card? I would be more interested in this. Is there actually a
Firstly,
specific
because-
reason?
Firstly, because everyone does it. Secondly, because my
No.
double lift is so bad.
Okay, I stand with reason one that you don't want to do it because everybody does it. It's fine. Double lift, they just improve the double lift. It's not that.
No, I
even
do it like this.
even I
oh
perform
my god, I
ambitious
hate
card
that
routine.
double lift.
Wait. Which one? Is it that one? That one?
No.
Okay, the thumb one. Okay, okay.
Yeah. I do it like that only.
I remember Dhruv doing this double lift and I just wanted to hit him in the face, man. क्या कर रहा है? Just learn a thinky count.
No,
There
it's
is
like-
this one. The one which doesn't require any break. I forgot the name.
Push off.
No.
Yeah,
Not
so
perfect.
strike.
Strike.
Strike. Okay.
You can learn that also. The once it gets into your muscle memory, वो भी easy हो जाता है.
Yeah.
हाँ, मतलब ये आता तो है लेकिन मैंने परफॉर्म नहीं किया कभी.
Yeah, even I can do a strike pretty decently, but I've never ever performed. I've never in my life used strike in performance.
Same. I go with pinky count and then
Yeah, pinky count and from there anything.
Even I don't perform ambitious card routine that much as compared to other subjects. It is
Yeah,
like
even
the
me.
last perform. If
What is
not
your
able to-
go-to effect of you guys?
Keeps changing, man. Seriously.
most
Every,
of the time
As of
every
now,
month it
as
keeps
of
changing.
as of now.
I'll tell Shantanu ka Chicago opener hai. I can bet my
हाँ.
life on it.
हाँ. मतलब my deck is set up in that way only. But हाँ, I do have
Chicago
other,
opener is
other
the one that the card changes its color, na?
Color.
Like back. Okay. Others still
Uh,
on?
currently, this whole I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Okay, Josh.
Mine literally keeps changing. Like before the
I think me and others, the situation is like whatever trick we are learning currently, that just becomes our go-to.
Yeah, I want to
Because
try
for-
that, how it works.
Yeah, for us it's like whatever we have recently learned, we have this excitement to try it out. So we just I don't care how long it is or how good it is or how important the performance. Actually, if the performance is important, we probably won't do it. But whatever. So right now there is this download that I have got from what's his name? I keep forgetting his name.
Yeah, we are all night.
Come on, man. Arey, I told you about him, na.
What is
Others.
the effect?
Mentalism effect. It is 3 per.
One head.
Oh god. No, not one. One.
It's really nice actually.
Yeah.
I forgot his name, but he's a friend of this guy. Slightly obsessed, right?
Yeah.
Alex Pandrea.
Slightly
Fraser
obsessed.
Parker.
They're Fraser Park is also a friend of them. It's like Ross
Peter
Taylor.
Turner.
Ross D. Taylor.
I
His name is
literally
Ross
said
Taylor.
his name 2 times. today.
Yes.
Really? I didn't hear. I was like so deep in my thoughts, man.
So what's the effect actually?
Effect is I give the cards to you to shuffle. Then I ask you to remember a card and put it back. And I can find out which card you're thinking of.
Is that something you will put the
Wait, come
cards
again?
in one
Come again?
suit?
Then I give I am obviously omitting out some details.
वही मैं
Yeah, no, but the effect essentially it is this that I give you the deck to shuffle. I don't touch it. I ask you to cut and remember a card and put it back.
Yeah.
And then I
After
can-
all the process, you take the deck and look through it, na?
Yes,
Okay.
So,
but if you are thinking key card, it's not a key card.
No, not a key card.
he's like so
whole
smug, you know.
suits.
Okay.
Huh?
Na-
Sorry,
Uh,
what are you saying?
you will keep. Acha,
No.
who are you asking?
Oh,
Acha, you will keep all the hearts or all the spades, any one suit, and stack in the top part, and then something like that, right?
Possible, but that is not the method. The method in this is more on language.
Acha, okay.
It's kind of like a very small dual
अच्छा
reality.
मेरा
going on.
स्टोरेज वापस रन आउट
I'll perform it once for you.
Ah,
I'll perform it when we meet. It won't fool you, but it's pretty interesting. Like the method is interesting. So it'll probably be that.
Shantanu, can you
that-
transfer it to the PC again, please?
वो चेक करने दे पीछे में कितना स्पेस
There is another effect I want to try out. It looks like this. Okay, I'm going to show you. So I have a deck of cards. I will shuffle it in front of you like this. And then I need 2 spectators. I will ask one spectator to lift up a packet, remember the card. I'll ask another spectator to lift up a packet, remember the card. Then I will put it back, and just like that, I am done. I know instantly, like when I get the cards back, I'll just look through and I know exactly 100% which 2 cards they're thinking of.
nice. This is
Yeah.
good
This was
actually.
another effect.
they shuffle the deck prior this
No. I shuffle the deck, but the shuffle is not of. I mean, it looks like this.
Are you using a stack basically?
It is a stack, but not like it is a stack which can be shuffled like this. That is
Yeah.
the interesting part of it.
You are reversing
I think
the
other-
middle packet.
हाँ मेरे को भी वही लग रहा है
Others, Others may be knowing what it is,
Yeah.
but
Now I figured out.
yeah, it's not that. But
Yeah.
the effect, like look at the effect. Like you can
Yeah.
actually shuffle it like this, and then just have them pick up anywhere. From that point on, you don't need to touch the deck till the end.
Yeah. Um, right now, I want to try the timing for using the spectator. That is one thing I like.
that
it's
is
not like
like-
I've never tried it.
You can do that like with literally any trick, as a reveal. If you are,
Yeah.
it is a technique that you want to try actually.
Then there is this the evoke thing where you basically using evoke you're forcing 1 out of 4, 6 or 7 items, personal items. So yeah.
That okay, yeah.
Then I just thought of this routine. So I've never performed this, but I would assume it's a pretty good. So it is a combination, like say I'm performing to Josh and Shantan. So I would say tell to Josh, Josh is going to be acting as the magician. I'm not going to be the magician. And so a card is going to be selected. So I'll ask Shantanu to pick a card. And Shantanu picks a card, and Josh does not seize the card. Everyone else looks at the card, and then the selection is placed under Shantanu's hand, and the card is switched basically. Now the card under Shantanu's hand is not the selection; it's some other random card. And now I turn to Josh and say, you're going to use your intuitions and feelings to find out what this card is. Now we all know what the card is except you, and then I do red herring and force the card which is under Shantanu's hand, which nobody knows about, right? Krishna Orjo is here,
So you're forcing the card twice or just once?
and no, the first is not a force. Like either one of those needs to be forced, not both.
Okay.
So using red herring, the second card is the card which is under the hand is forced, and then when the card which is selected using red herring is revealed, everyone knows that it's not the selection because it is some other random card only. And then I just ask them, did you really use your intuition and your feelings to come at this card? And they say, yeah, I genuinely tried to find the selection. And then you ask Shantanu to reveal the card under the hand, and then it is some other, like those two cards match. So yeah.
What's up, bitches? Sorry.
What's up? Are you recording
I'm just- Are you guys recording? Dude, I can't find any recording. Wala.
Yeah, I have a camera.
See something like this. You just have to record yourself.
Oh, fuck. Bro. Now that's going to happen from my side because I'll just show you my surrounding.
What happened?
Okay.
Fuck up. Have a dead
Oh my
cards,
God.
bro.
What a disaster.
Is that coffee?
Bro, that's tea, bro. But medical mentalist. Bro, there should be something like that. Guess
What?
what tea I have, and then oof.
Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Red label.
Fuck. How did you guess that? This is. We should make a show.
This is going on.
Make a
YouTube.
Red label, bro. Red label. Wait. I'm holding a biscuit in my hand.
Oh God. Wait.
We all get one guess, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Hear it almost. Hear it.
Nice.
What's the biscuit?
Wait.
Nice.
Just one question. Is it a plain biscuit or does it have some kind of cream with it?
Very good question, bro. Very good question. It has some cream.
Oh,
But
Oreo?
it's not really.
Bonbon.
Really famous. It's really famous, but it's not mainstream. Huh?
So it's not Oreo then. My guess was wrong. But I don't know. You guys go ahead.
No, I guess what Om said, Bourbon should be the guess.
I
Bourbon or
can't think
Tiger
of
something.
anything other
Yeah,
than
same.
Oreo and Bourbon.
Are you guys happy with Bourbon? Okay, I'm gonna pull it out of your minds. Okay, so just give it to me. Send it to me.
Are we the magician? Are you?
Bon.
Hey.
There's a real magic, bro. That's
Just
not
imagine
that
him
card
having ads for
bullshit.
all the biscuits in the world. On the other side of the camera, all the biscuits are stacked up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Asivan. Asivan does tricks like that.
You should try that, man.
Bro,
Literally, you know.
you're thinking of Bourbon, yes, yeah. Now, see how this can help me with the treat. It's a treat.
So what is the
Spanish?
controversy going on with Nicholas Lawrence and Arsene Wenger? Is
Bro,
it
that-
really a controversy or just
I don't know.
trolling?
I don't know,
not-
man. I usually
Even I've
don't know
not heard of
any of
anything.
these mad dramas. I just knew that Jibrizi and Chris Ramsey का एक drama पर.
That
वो तो
everyone
बहुत
Actually-
पहले हुआ
And
था.
everyone knows.
Bro, that drama was Jibrizi versus Republic of All Magicians. That was the
Yeah,
drama.
Yeah, and Rick Lax was in his side. Jibrizi's side.
Rick Lax is not a magician anymore, okay? He's some weird kind of
I
puzzle.
used to follow him. Like I used to think he was a cool
Yeah,
guy at one point.
He used to be. He used to be long time back. He had really
Yeah, he
good
came up with
ideas.
the
also
gas,
pretty good, man.
standard gas deck long back in Penguin Magic.
Mhm.
And I was like, damn, I want that, bro. I want that. Yeah, give it to me, bro. Rick Lax is my god.
I didn't know he.
And then he
he
won
has-
Parenteller. I was like, had to fool him, bro. He had to fool him, bro.
Yeah.
How could he not fool him? And then Facebook happened.
Then Facebook. Really, the stuff he posts on Facebook, man, is like, what? Why? It's such a waste of brain, you know.
Yeah.
That's the only way to put it. It's like this guy is capable of such insane. That's what everybody says about it. Like we have seen what his capabilities are, and he's doing absolute crap. What? You saw that one with the what was it? Einstein paradox or something? The one
Yeah.
with the rocks. I think only you have seen that because I sent it to you. That
I got that WhatsApp forward from so many people.
yeah. And people were like the people they genuinely didn't understand how it was happening. You know, it was like magic to them. Some people they're like how, but he's adding 4 stones. How are there still 8 stones on it? Legit, this is the question I'm being asked. Like what? Well, man.
On the first go only, I knew where he was going, and I was looking for what he, like. I almost predicted what he's going to do. Now he's going to put this stone there. Okay.
So, Shorja, what have you been learning? Unless wait, others has some other topic of discussion.
No, nothing. I
I want to know
exhausted.
why you guys thought I would not wear a t-shirt when I joined the call.
That is others, not me. Huh? I was like,
Others,
sure, Josie.
Yeah. No, they're not saying anything. Like
Yeah.
that was the best reaction I got.
Best
from them
reaction,
ever.
actually, yeah.
It was like that. It was
He has not
literally
worn
like
anything.
it is like
I told you, no. I told you he does not wear this.
wait. No. How did you know that?
Blind guess.
How did you?
I shit you not.
Fuck you. You guys have no. It's the journey. I call Stooge.
No. He genuinely shows up like this only.
Where did he come?
It was a
but
wild
are you
guess.
stalking? Are you stalking me, others? I get it, okay, I get it. I also like you like that, but it's not good to stalk. Not good to stalk, bro. Okay, please. Please, man, please.
You always show up without anything on. So I was like, chal, I'll guess.
Hey, I just like sleeping without a t-shirt. Okay, makes me
No. I can
Ventilation.
confirm. I can confirm. Sleeping naked is the best sleep you'll ever get in your life. Just
but I
trust me
wear,
on
I wear
this.
pants.
I wear nothing sometimes.
Others, we should be stalking Joshua instead.
Yeah.
At night,
Everyone should be stalking me.
What the hell is that?
guys, have you ever thought of learning how to lockpick like Houdini style?
What? Hoodie?
Houdini, not Houdini.
Okay.
What did you think?
Hoodie. I thought hoodie. The hoodie, the guy.
Oh, no, Houdini, nee.
Yeah, hoodie. Okay. I want to actually.
I've
Yeah, even
tried
I
it.
want to, man.
I've tried.
It's
Like,
like-
I know how the lock works and I know how to lock pick. And I learned this way before magic. But it's like a knack, you know. You don't actually
Yeah.
learn it before you actually do it. So in my mind, I know what to do. But unless I actually try it for myself, I cannot say that I know how to lock pick.
I have lockpicked twice the numerical code.
Okay.
But it doesn't happen in one go. You need to be very observant and you need to keep observing the codes over a period of days. And one day you'll notice that some numbers are repeating. So what happens is people get lazy. They don't shuffle it properly. They shuffle only one end. So from then on, from like 9 combinations, you are narrowed down to maybe like 50, 60.
Yeah.
It's just the matter of time of checking each one, and eventually, like I've done it twice in the hostel. That's
It
like,
would make for a
Even I was-
pretty good pin divination.
Yeah, but no, it takes time. It takes so many days. Like you have to be very quiet about it. You know.
Like chupke, like others.
हाँ.
What the heck?
Stalking me, like chupke
I
at
love
night
stalking
with that
you.
face.
What's wrong with this face?
Arey, bro, you don't remember that picture or what, bro? That face at night, every time I open my eyes to turn while sleeping, I see that face through the window.
What is that face? Wait, I didn't see.
The one
The
we took a
nighttime
screenshot
one.
of for that day, light given up.
Only
Others'
my eyes
face.
and teeth were
Oh,
visible.
okay. वो बहुत भारी था. Adarsh, here is the point where you insert the photo of that face in your video. So
Yeah.
people know what the fuck we are talking about.
Shantanu knows, he's just thinking about something else.
No, I have no idea what you guys are talking about.
Dude, you were there. Adarsh was he's going to do it again. You're going to do it again. Right?
Adarsh, please.
He's going to put up the
Please,
light.
bro, please.
Okay. I get it. That one, no, the one that
Yeah.
the said. Okay, huh. Go, I know.
Acha,
Adarsh was like,
Shaurya,
he's going to do it again. He's going to do it again. He's going to turn off the light and do it.
I don't think it would work. The other day I had my phone and it has pretty good brightness. And
Bro,
right now
please. Bro, please. Like right now, I can see the light glistening from your teeth. Try it, Chal.
Yes.
I mean,
No.
still have light.
No. It's like there is too much light.
Get it.
Yeah.
I think from the phone or something.
Laptop.
Yeah.
Acha, even you are
Guys,
using
what have you
laptop.
guys been learning?
Acha, we have
man.
less than a minute right now.
Oh, okay. So what are we doing? I don't mind.
We can, but I might leave a little early. Accordingly.
Fine.
Okay, let's host one more. Then see.
What's up, Om?
Yeah.
How are you, man?
It's okay.
Man. So, are we going to restart or not?
Okay. Yes.
What
What happened?
the most awkward part
What?
of the entire.
No, this part has to be there. If you want, we can deliberately engineer one.